Happy Friday guys, wherever you are. So nice quick video for you. Another wing mirror. So this particular vehicle, returning customer already had a set of our steps, has broken his wing mirror, or he hasn't, something has, a branch or another vehicle, whatever. There's lots of various reasons why we replace wing mirrors. This is the factory long arm wing mirror. As you can see, has seen better days, and then just means that it's wibbly and wobbly and not fit for purpose. So we have, depending on the spec of the vehicle, there's two different wing mirrors we do. They're clearly listed under accessories on our website. You can do a supply only, or you can have peace of mind and have it fitted professionally with us. Takes between an hour and 2 hours to fit it, and that varies on vehicle because they're not all the same. This particular one, long arm mirror with the indicator, heated, electrically adjustable, and with FM and DAB antennas. This particular one is FM. Now, in addition to this video, this customer has removed the factory radio and fitted an aftermarket, I'm probably going to say Android device, because most of the Chinese ones are Android based. And as soon as you remove that factory radio, you then get the flashing odometer. Now, some of you are not that bothered, others it drives you potty. And if you're driving at night, your peripheral vision can see that flashing odometer, and it's quite off-putting. So what we've done for this gentleman, it is a chargeable service because we have to pay for the diagnostic and the license to do it, but it's called a proxy alignment. And that proxy alignment means that we plug in our Fiat dedicated diagnostic system. We go in, we talk to your chassis, we talk to the instrument cluster, we redo that alignment to stop that instrument cluster from flashing by telling it that it's okay, we have removed the radio, but we've put something else back in its place. So if you want that, or if you have a flashing odometer and you want it resolved or sorted, then please do get in touch with us. It's not something you're going to find on our website. We haven't yet done a separate video about it, but we might. This video is purely for replacement long arm wing mirror and also flashing odometer. So Sammy will then do a bit about both on the video and on the thumbnail and on the description as well. So if you're interested in that, or the wing mirror replacement, please do get in touch with us. Website links in the bio. If you don't already subscribe, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to follow us on the socials, and that's it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.